Hi my friends and everybody. Welcome to GMK and Toys channel. Today's, we will show you new Gundam plastic models as release on January 2020. RG-1144th, MS-06R-1A Yuma Lightning's Zaku II. Premium Bandai announces the release of the 18th entry to the Ace Pilot Log model series. This time, Bandai Spirits will be releasing the Yuma Lightning exclusive MS-06R-1A Zaku II that comes in its Blue Thunder color. A sheet of newly designed water slide decal will be included in the kit. Markings and seals are specifically designed for Yuma Lightning. Provided with the same mold used in real grade, Johnny Ridden's high mobility type Zaku, bold action and poses, can be performed with its wide-ranged articulation. Accessories of RG-1144, MS-06R-1A Yuma Lightning's Zaku II, Giant Bazooka, Zaku Bazooka, Zaku Machine Gun, and Heat Hawk. Finally, this is RG-1144, MS-06R-1A Yuma Lightning's Zaku II Explosion. Release info by Premium Bandai. For more information, go to https://b-bandai.jp/item/item-1000140190. Thanks for watching. For news and more information about Gundam plastic models kits, please subscribe GMK and Toys channel.